Hi, I am Roxana from WP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage the WpResidence property slider version 3 for Elementor. We showcase this widget in one of the main demo homepages. You will be able to see it in homepage version 4. This is the widget. And next I will show the steps that you need to take to recreate a similar section in your site. The widget will work for Elementor pages, so the first step is to edit the page where I want to add the widget with Elementor. I have already set the section where the widget will go, and next I will add the slider widget. I will look for the widget. This is the one. I will add it in the page with drag and drop. And next I will show how the widget settings work. First, in content section, you will have filters. Here you will be able to filter the properties that will show in the slider based on property categories. You will also have this option show feature listings only. If set to yes, then in the slider only the featured properties will show. If set to no, in the slider you will have both featured properties and regular ones. Next you will have items IDs will override the above filters. This means that you can set manually the properties that will show in the slider by typing here the property IDs. I will show how this option works, so I will need to go to admin, properties. Here I will have the list of properties in my site and each property ID. To set the widget, you will need to copy the ID of the properties that you want to display and paste it in the widget. I will copy some random IDs. I will go back to Elementor editor and paste them here. You will see that now the property with this ID will show. I will add another one. Now only these two properties will show. I am done with the settings for the content. Next I will go to style section. Here you will be able to change design settings. I will start with the first option. Here you will be able to change the typography for the title. You will be able to change font family, change font size, and make other settings. In the next option you will be able to change the price typography. You can change font family, font size. You can also change font weight, add line height, and make other settings. Going further, you will be able to set the content typography. I will change font family, font size, font weight, and line height. Going further, you will have the option to change agent font size. I will also change font family, font weight, and you will be able to make other settings. Next you'll have the options to change colors. You will be able to change title font color, price font color, content font color, agent, and icon colors. I will only change the content color and the icon color. Next you will be able to add border radius value, change the icon size value. I am done with the style section. I will go further to the arrow style section. Here you will be able to manage settings for the arrows in the slider. I will change arrow colors, arrow background color, arrow color hover, arrow background color for hover. Also you will be able to set colors for these two dots. I will change it here. And for the active dot I will leave the default color. You will also be able to make settings in advanced. Here you will be able to add margin or padding values for the entire section and make other settings. I am done with setting this widget. I will save the changes made, and now I will go to the page frontend and check the slider that I just added. This is the one. I will have the two properties that I set with their IDs. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.